Good morning. Welcome to Nanara Travel Agency. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'm here for a job interview with Najwa Falma from the HR department.
Of course. May I know your name, please?
My name is Raina Findia.
Thank you, Miss Raina. Please take a seat for a moment. Miss Najwa will be ready soon. Miss Raina, Miss Najwa is ready to meet you now. Please follow me to the meeting room. This is the meeting room. Morning.
Morning, Miss Raina. Miss Hans. Now let's start with a short introduction. Would you please tell me about yourself?
Sure, my name is Raina Findia. I graduated from the Hospital program. I really enjoy meeting people from different places and helping them have a good travel experience during my internship. I work in a hotel in Banyuwangi and learn a lot about the service and food management.
That's great. What are your career goals?
My short-term goal is to develop my communication and communication skill by working in a professional news company. And one of them is to become a travel consultant who can promote Indonesia beautiful destination to international tourists.
Very nice. So, why are you applying for this position at Nanara Travel Agency?
Because I'm passionate about tourism and I know this company is one of the best of in organizing eco-friendly tourists. I want to contribute my knowledge and creativity to make tourism enjoy sustainable travel experience.
That's a good reason. Now, can you tell me what your strengths and weaknesses are?
My strength is that I'm friendly, responsible, and I enjoy working with people. I also speak English and good Portuguese, which help in communicating with foreign tourists. My weakness is that sometimes I get nervous when speaking in front of a big group, but I am trying to improve by practicing public speaking.
That sounds unprofessional. I like your attitude. Thank you for your time, Miss Raina. We'll contact you soon about the interview result.
Thank you very much, Ms. Nadwa. It was a pleasure speaking